morning. We're standing on hole number 17 on the South Golf Course. This is one of the areas where we have most of our rules questions regarding a water hazard. The rules of golf talk about having a water hazard and a lateral water hazard. A water hazard is marked in yellow lines. A lateral hazard is marked in red. The golf course architect, when he designs a water hazard, he intends for the golfer to have to negotiate to hit it over that water hazard. A lateral hazard, he doesn't necessarily intend for the golfer to have to negotiate. Another example of a lateral water hazard would be hole number 5 on the North Golf Course. That water hazard's over there, but the architect says, well, you don't really have to negotiate that hazard, and that's okay. We'll talk about lateral hazards at another time. But for today, on hole number 17, if I attempt to hit my shot over the water and I don't quite make it, what I have to do now in order to play this rule correctly is I have to keep the point where my ball last crossed the margin of the hazard. Let's say even though it lands on the other side of the hazard and rolls back in, I've got to keep that spot between me and the hole with no limit as to how far back I go. The mistake that the golfers make is they try to drop it on the other side. Well, you haven't negotiated the hazard yet because your ball's sitting in the hazard, right? So we have to keep that point between us and the hole with no limit as to how far back we go. Or I could drop another golf ball at my original spot, and in both cases, we would have a one-stroke penalty. Playing by the rules of golf really helps us, guys. I hope this helps you to better understand how to play a water hazard. Best of luck for the remainder of the season.